Dear viewers, welcome to Murads kitchen. Now I'm going to show you how to make a salmon burger. First of all, we got some salmon. We're going to put it in a little blender. Now we're going to put our onion, garlic, coriander. We blend them up. We put some salt. We're gonna put some pepper. Lemon juice. We mix them well. Now we add our breadcrumbs to it and it's going to mix well. We're going to need an egg to bind them all together. That's the egg. Mix them all together. We make like little patties. We're also going to put some oil in a pan. Viewers, my oil is hot. Now I'm going to put my patties there. Viewers, we're turning them over. Look at the beautiful color from them. Viewers, these are ready. We're going to take it off. Viewers, there's the burger bun. It's been toasted. Viewers, we put the burger buns in one. We put a little bit of salad, tomato, a little bit of mayonnaise, a bit of ketchup. Now is one thing to do. Put them all together and just to have eat it. Viewers, that's my beautiful burger and chips with chips. Oh, yum and delicious. What could be better, hey? Viewers, enjoy my salmon burger. Enjoy and bon appetit.